Hey, hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about using JPA, how we are going to insert the data into our Oracle table. Okay. The last video we have discussed how the join is working, how to join two different tables, and how to join both of them. In this video, we are going to see the how the JPA insert query is working. Okay. So I'm going to insert a data using the help of JPA. Okay, so let's go and go in student table. Okay, I want to query from students. Okay, these are the student table. Okay, I'm going to insert a new student again here. Okay, uh, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to write a interface method which can return the student information that a particular object is going to be stored in the table. Okay, let me go to the client. I mean to say the interface and public void and add student. Okay, so now we need to open the EJB. So we need to implement the method. Okay, so what we are going to do is this is my method which I'm going to work now. So from entity manager we have two different kind of operations. Okay, one is persist. Okay, the persist will do the following operation like insert and update as well. Okay, if the record is existing it will do the update, and if it is not existing it will do the insert. Okay, I'm going to use the persist. Okay, or else if you want to check you can simply put em dot, you can see persist. Okay, and you can see the you can see all the reference. Okay, create named query, create native query, and find flash, everything. Okay, so basically what we are going to, I'm not going to using any merge operation, so because the persistent the person will take care of everything. For removing the record from the table, we are going to use the remove method. Okay, so I'm okay. The interface method. Okay, this is wrong. Okay, so what I have what do I need is I need a student DTO as an input. Students, student. Okay, so this particular student I'm going to store em dot persist and this student object. Okay, that's all from here. Okay, so now the ultimate job is we have to create a student object in the client and we have to call this method. Okay, let's go to our client method. Okay, as usual I'm going to comment out the existing stuff. I don't need that, so I'm going to create a students object for now. Student. Okay, students is equal to new student. So basically I'm trying to manipulate a student object here, so I can pass the information to my client. No, I can pass in information from my client to my EJP method, so it will be stored in the table. Okay, so the method which I'm okay, let me populate it. Okay, student dot set phoname. I can simply say Dennis, and student dot set name Dennis John, and student dot set student number. You can, for now you can hard code it something like, okay, let's see what are the existing student names. Okay, it is something like 2006. Okay, let me copy this and I'll add here. So instead of 106 I'm going to use 108. Okay, so now we have the object with us. Okay, now what we are going to do is now we are going to call the interface method which will take in the student as an input and it will store in the table. Okay, So this is my interface reference. Okay, student dot add student, and you need to pass the student object. Okay, so this thing will not work now because we are not deployed our application yet. Okay, so the first thing, whenever you make some changes, go to your application and deploy into your local server. Okay, and we'll see. Okay, deployment is started. Okay, deployment is finished now. Okay, let's go ahead and run our client to see whether the data is stored in the table. So this is my client, so I'm going to run this client. Run. Okay, process exited. Okay, now process is completed without any issues. Let's go to the database and let me freeze this panel, so when I run the query again we can see the difference. Okay, let me run the student again. See, the one which we added recently, Dennis John, and this is my student number, and this is my old database information, sorry, table information, and this is my new table information. Okay, this is how we need to use the persistent to store the object. Okay, in the next session I'm going to explain how we are going to use the update. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.